channel. It really does mean a lot to me. Are we ready? I am. Hi everyone. If you're new here, I'm Connie. And if you're returning, welcome back. Today is a special day because we have reached over 300 subscribers. And today we're going to have a drawing where we get to choose a name for some surprises. And what we have today is some sparkling glitter and some really sparkling glitter. And we have some little assortments of glitters. And we have the 4-piece set of the gears that I did a video a while back. And I'm also going to include my set of homemade inlays with my leaves and my acorns. So that is what this drawing, whoever gets this drawing, is going to get. So let's get to picking. Here's my pan. I'm going to shake it up. And look at that, we're getting a build-up in there. I want to thank every one of you that helps to support my channel. It really does mean a lot to me. Are we ready? I am. I'm excited. Let's see who we're going to get. I hope I can pronounce the name. Lord Logic. And there's the tag. And that person's been with me since March 16th of this year. Thank you very much for being one of my subscribers. I need you to get back to me within 3 days to claim your prizes. And I also would like to know if you are a fellow crafter or if you're just a video person that likes to watch the videos. And if that is the case, if you like to just watch the videos and would just like to have something that's homemade, I will send this instead of the products. And maybe a few other things as well. So, if you're just someone who likes to view the videos and doesn't actually create things yourself, I want to give you that option as well. So you just let me know when you contact me if you do create things yourself or if you like to just watch our videos and how we make things. And I will put a little package together of some things that are made. Let me know your favorite color, if you like flowers or what you're into, and let me know and I will fix you right up. And this is our drawing for today. I thank every one of you from the bottom of my heart, because without you, I wouldn't have a channel. And you really are really special to me. I really appreciate every one of you. So I'm going to end right here. And again, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel.